All right, once again, thanks for joining Mr. Smith Garage. We are in the garage working on Lars' head. You could say I'm a head doctor, huh? No. I'm just today, real quick, we're going to put these roller rockers back in. There's the roller rockers in order. Timing chain side of the head, intake side of the head, exhaust side of the head. And they will go into these holes here. You can see here, 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 here. I'm going to pre-fill these with just a shot of assembly lube so that they've got something in there for when we do our startup. And so that's what we're working on today. Trying to think of a good spot to put you, that you have a good idea of what's going on with the head here. Hopefully we have enough light down here. Once again, we're using our Lucas Oil Products Assembly Lube. Kind of sticky, which, you know, is probably a good thing for assembly lube. A little dab will do ya. We'll put just a little bit in each one. Hopefully you liked my video yesterday. I again had some audio problems, but I think I've got the audio stuff figured out. We'll see today when this one runs. I plan on being pretty short on this one. Might add some music again to this just to hone in my video and audio skills. I do use DaVinci. I'm not sure if any of you out there use that as a video editor, but that's my video editor of choice. Okay, so I got just a little bit in each one. I'm also going to put a little bit on each of these. Okay, there we have it. I think we're all good. They're all in there. Didn't have any fall apart. They've got assembly lube on them, so they're all a little sticky. And one step closer, and I can get to all the head bolts clearly. No problems there. Getting closer and closer. So the next step, this is one of the things I hadn't been looking forward to either, is is cleaning the pistons, the tops of the pistons, and trying to clean out the cylinders. The cylinders are just a little bit dirty, and so that's really the next step. I'll take you over here just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I think I've showed you this before, but you can see just want to clean out the tops of the cylinders and trying to get any of the dirt and grime that's in there out of there. And there's a water pump. Water pump impeller looks good for now. And clean off the surface of this block so that we can get the head back on there. Then we can start working towards the timing chain and everything else. So thanks for joining me, Mr. Smith's Garage. Hopefully our audio worked just fine this time. I think it did. I can see that it's working, so I'm hoping that it will still work. This is going to be a quick, short video. I'm going to speed up the process of me putting these in there. And that's it. Thanks for joining. We'll see you next time, Mr. Smith Garage.